Coinbase only accepts domestic USD wires, no international, no ACH. Chase charges $25-$35 for outgoing domestic wires, free for Chase private client. Funds typically arrive same day or next business day. 1. Get fresh Coinbase wire instructions. Never reuse old ones. Log in to Coinbase.com. Assets, add cash, wire transfer. Coinbase generates unique details every time. Bank, Metropolitan Commercial Bank or similar partner, routing number, account number, 10-12 digits, reference code, 8 to 12 characters, for example, CB7X9K4P2M, critical beneficiary, Coinbase Inc. 4. Your full name. 2. Send the wire from Chase mobile app. Pay and transfer, wires and global transfers. Send a wire or Chase.com, pay and transfer, transfer money, wire money. Select domestic wire, paste exact Coinbase details above, enter amount, minimum recommended $1,000. Review, submit before 4 p.m. ET for same-day processing. 3. Done. Coinbase emails when funds arrive, usually less than 24 hours. USD balance ready to buy, BTC, ETH, instantly.